The manufacturing journey begins with high-strength galvanized steel. Every coil is inspected before entering production.
Massive steel coils are straightened for accurate fabrication. Perfect alignment ensures structural strength.
CNC lasers cut every structural component with millimeter precision. Each part matches factory engineering specifications. Hydraulic presses form the steel into rigid structural shapes. Every bend is computer-controlled.
Industrial robots build the foundation of the school bus. Precision welding creates exceptional strength.
Laser inspection confirms every measurement. Only perfectly aligned frames continue.
Heavy-duty suspension prepares the bus for demanding roads. Each bolt is torque-tested.
The axle system is carefully aligned with the chassis. Precision installation improves stability and safety. With the rolling chassis complete, body construction begins. The iconic school bus shape is about to take form.
The body structure begins with precision-aligned side frames. Every component is locked into exact factory specifications. Robotic welding creates a rigid passenger safety structure. Every weld is monitored for consistent strength. Curved roof supports strengthen the entire body shell. They are positioned with laser-guided accuracy. The roof panels seal the upper structure. Continuous welds improve durability and weather resistance. The reinforced front section protects critical vehicle systems. It also supports the driver's compartment. The rear frame completes the main structural shell. Additional reinforcements increase crash protection.
The bus begins to take its recognizable shape. High-strength panels are permanently secured.
Each window opening receives reinforced structural supports. This improves passenger safety and body rigidity.
The entrance structure is reinforced for years of daily use. Every mounting point is carefully aligned. The reinforced floor creates the foundation for the passenger cabin. Sealed joints protect against moisture and corrosion. Every welded joint is carefully finished before painting. A flawless surface ensures a long-lasting finish. Every surface is cleaned to remove oil and contaminants. Perfect cleanliness is essential for paint adhesion. A protective coating shields the steel from corrosion. This treatment extends the bus's service life. Electrostatic primer creates an even protective foundation. It improves paint durability and corrosion resistance. Controlled heat permanently bonds the primer. This creates the ideal base for the final paint. The iconic school bus yellow is applied with robotic precision. Multiple coats ensure a brilliant, uniform finish.
Fresh paint is heat-cured for maximum durability. The finish is designed to withstand years of service.
Reflective markings improve visibility and safety. Every graphic is positioned with laser accuracy.
Tempered safety glass is installed for passenger protection. Each window is sealed against water and vibration.
The laminated windshield completes the exterior glazing process. The bus is now ready for interior assembly.
Fire-resistant insulation is installed throughout the cabin. It improves passenger comfort and reduces noise. Color-coded wiring simplifies assembly and future maintenance. Every electrical connection is carefully secured.
Modern LED lighting increases safety and energy efficiency. Every circuit is tested before final assembly. The driver's control center is carefully assembled. Every instrument is electronically verified.
Precision steering ensures safe vehicle handling. Every connection is checked for perfect alignment.
The driver controls are installed with precision. Each system is tested for smooth operation. The climate control system keeps passengers comfortable year-round. Airflow is evenly distributed throughout the bus.
Protective wall panels cover the insulated framework. They create a clean and durable passenger interior.
Anti-slip flooring improves passenger safety. It is bonded for years of heavy daily use. High-back safety seats are securely anchored to the reinforced floor. The passenger cabin is now taking its final shape.
Emergency roof hatches provide an additional evacuation route. Each locking mechanism is tested for reliable operation.
Every emergency exit is designed for quick and safe evacuation. Door alignment is checked with precision.
The entrance doors are engineered for thousands of daily cycles. Smooth operation is verified before moving forward.
Multiple mirrors eliminate blind spots around the bus. They are carefully aligned for maximum visibility.
These safety devices protect students during boarding and unloading. Each mechanism is tested through multiple operating cycles.
The powerful engine is carefully matched to the reinforced chassis. Precision alignment protects long-term reliability. Every hose, cable, and shaft is connected with precision. The powertrain is now integrated into the bus. Critical fluids prepare the bus for its first startup. Every level is electronically verified. The completed powertrain comes to life for the very first time. Engine diagnostics confirm everything is operating correctly. Every completed school bus undergoes a detailed quality inspection. Digital measurements ensure factory-perfect accuracy.
Every electrical feature is tested before delivery. No system is left unchecked.
Computerized brake testing confirms reliable stopping power. Every axle must meet strict safety standards. Laser alignment improves handling and tire life. Every adjustment is verified electronically. High-pressure water testing confirms a leak-free cabin. Every seal is inspected for maximum durability.
Inside the cabin, every detail is inspected. Passenger safety remains the highest priority.
Every bus is road tested before customer delivery. Real-world driving confirms overall performance.
Engineers evaluate ride quality under demanding conditions. The suspension is tested for comfort and durability.
After passing every test, the bus earns final factory approval. It is now ready for customer delivery.
The final detailing gives the school bus its showroom appearance. Next, it heads to the shipping yard for delivery.
Each school bus receives its official identification and certification. Every label confirms compliance with factory standards.
Final fluid and tire checks prepare the bus for delivery. Every measurement must meet factory specifications.
Protective coverings keep every surface in perfect condition. The bus is now ready for transport.
Every vehicle leaves with complete documentation. Service records and warranty information travel with the bus.
The completed school bus leaves the production line. It joins hundreds of ready-to-deliver vehicles. Every completed bus receives one last visual inspection. Only approved vehicles move to delivery. Each bus is assigned its delivery destination. Logistics teams coordinate nationwide transportation. The completed buses leave the factory for communities nationwide. The manufacturing journey becomes a transportation mission. The finished school bus reaches its new owner. Final delivery marks the completion of the factory process. The new bus is customized for its local school district. It is now almost ready to carry students.
A careful pre-trip inspection ensures safe daily operation. Every safety feature is verified before service.
From raw steel to the open road, the journey is complete. The bus is ready to serve its community. Every safety feature now serves its true purpose. Students board safely for the first day of service.
Built with precision, tested for safety, and trusted every day. The factory's craftsmanship is now serving the community. From raw materials to a trusted school bus, every step reflects American engineering and precision.